Hi everyone, Amy here with Amy's Wares, and I have some mid-month inspiration to share with you. I have this new Kiss the Cook stencil. This is the mid-month inspiration for May at a Colorful Life Designs, and here's a photo of the card I'm going to make for you today. Now, I will be honest, to start, I was planning on using the apron and the cool Kiss the Cook sentiment that's built in, but I just got so enamored playing with this fire that I wanted to make that the backdrop for this card. So as you can see, there's built-in sentiments, there's all these fun cooking elements and all these different ways you can use this fun stencil, but I'm going to kind of use it in a little different way, maybe than intended, just to give you some idea of the versatility of this stencil. So I have some very fiery, warm colors from 𝗵𝗄𝗄 mini inks, and I have the fire positioned upward, kind of about 2/3 of the way up the card, and I'm starting with the lightest colors first, moving down all the way into the red, and then ultimately a little bit of my favorite color, Flirty Fuchsia. So if you want to bring red to the next level, and you don't have a red that's deep enough, think about purple. So fuchsia obviously is a derivative of purple. It's a very kind of pinkish purple. But if you're really struggling to deepen your red, then don't discount purple. It's a really good way, even with marker coloring, it's a really good way to kind of deepen it up and take it to the next level that you may not have thought about. So here you can see I'm just working down the panel here, and I'm actually just doing some straight ink blending on the bottom. I'm kind of covering up where some of the white is, and but not entirely, and I feel like it's kind of giving it the little wicks of flames and making it a little bit more natural looking. Now here you can see I'm going to come in with just a little bit of that Flirty Fuchsia and just kind of come right along the bottom just to deepen that red up and add to the contrast of the design. And this is so bright. I feel like the camera isn't really doing it justice. It's such a fun blend of colors. Now here I'm figuring out what direction I want to go. I don't really have a plan at this point. Like I said, I was originally going to use the fire, and I was going to do something with the apron and Kiss the Cook, but then I just really like the fire and I wanted to make that the main focal point. So here I decided to grab a Woot die. Sadly, I think this is discontinued. That was a 𝘄𝐄𝐫𝑄𝐿, and then I decided to grab these kind of funny, snarky sentiment strips. These are tailored expressions, and the storage boxes are also tailored expressions. The ones that look white are actually white heat embossed on white so that I can custom color them later. It's kind of a fun little tip if you want to be able to have an exact custom match. But I wanted the black because I wanted to tie in a little bit of the black from the Woot die cut. So I'm just going to pick a couple of these, one for the front of the card and one for the inside, and I just completely go off the cuff here. I just decided to make it kind of a fun. This is called Fun and Funny. That's the name of the set. But it says, "You're weird, never change." And then I'll show you what the one on the inside is in just a moment. But I do want to add a little bit of blingage. This is also from a Colorful Life Designs. If you shop for anything there, be sure to use my coupon AmyFan10. This is Crystal Iris Aurora Borealis. That's the color that I used to bling. You can use my coupon on the bling, on the stamps if they're still in the shop, stencils. And then on the inside it says, "I like naps and you." So kind of a fun, snarky, different way to use this fun stencil. It is on sale the first week only, and you can use my coupon. So be sure to check it out as well as the rest of the May release, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.